Cairo Tower, S118.1, KLM 975.
KLM 975, contact Cairo Tower on 118.1.
Speed checked. Flaps 1. 1,000 to go.
907, I'm squawking 153.
EasyJet 987, negative squawk 3214. LeBron Air 1 Cairo approach radar contact. Turn right, heading 280 vectors to Cairo, then own navigation. LeBron Air 1 Cairo approach, climb and maintain flight level 120.
2,000.
Deal 611, contact Cairo Tower on 118.1 when established.
Kilo, contact Cairo Tower on 118.1.
Tower 118.1, Vision 30 Kilo, bye-bye.
Mike Oscar 738, turn right, heading 235.
Turn right, heading 260, Mike Oscar 738.
Air 581, contact departure on 119.05.
Gear down. Check speed. Speed checked. Flaps 2.
47, contact departure on 11.
Contact departure 119.05, transfer as 847, so long.
Speed checked. Flaps 3.
149er, welcome to Cairo. Contact ground on 121.9er.
Speed checked. Flaps full.
149er, welcome to Cairo. Contact ground on 121.9er.
Deal 611, wind 210 at 8, runway 23 center, cleared to land. Caution bird activity.
1,000.
Vision 4 Romeo Kilo, welcome to Cairo. Contact ground on 120.4.
ECAM memo.
Vision Romeo Kilo, bye-bye.
Landing checklist completed.
Yeah, traffic.
Checked.
Contact departure. Contact departure.
500.
Cairo Tower, Unitary 78, established on the ILS runway 23 center.
400. 100 above. 300. Minimum 200.
Checked.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard. 5.
What frequency do you want us to change over to? Egypt 295.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Decel.
What's the frequency for the departure, Egypt 295?
70 knots.
Contact departure, Ethiopian 100 Golf.
Ethiopian 100 Golf, contact departure.
Adial 611, welcome to Cairo. Contact ground on 120.4.
LeBron Air 1 Cairo Tower, welcome to Cairo. Contact ground on 121.9er.
Cairo Tower, you've given me clearance for 505 Charlie. I'm looking for clearance for 05 Romeo, Walker 670. I'll have your clearance in just a second. 05 right, clear for takeoff, Walker 670.